In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make images glow just like this here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do. You can do this with your own images or images in Canva. So I have this one just here, and that's what we're going to use. So if we just enlarge this a little bit, we then want to go to Edit Photo and just remove that background. Now, once that's done, what we want to do is click onto the image and come down to where it says shadows. If we click on there, we then want to choose the glow option. Now from here, this is where we can change the colours, the intensity and everything about the glow. So for this example, let's click on the little colour icon just here and let's change this to something like yellow. Now let's just go over to there and click enter. Now we're going to use this yellow, but what we want to do is make that glow more intense. So we can actually play around with the intensity bar just here and turn that up and down. Now this, in combination with the size, is going to give it a really nice glow. So let's put that about there. Let's blur the amount a little bit more so it is more of a glow, and then let's make that a little bit more intense. So as you can see, it's super simple and easy to create a glow on your images here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.